Alright, what's up? We're doing a little track day prep video here. There's a few things I gotta do to get the car good for US Air. One of those things being tow hook, front tow hook, rear tow hook. I don't think I'm gonna get one for the rear. He should be able to get me on one of my lower arms there in the rear. But for the front, you know, just take out the front piece of the grill, twist it in, show off the car a little bit, and then yeah, so I'm gonna grab them parts and then we'll be back. Alright, so I got some parts here. I got this tow hook here. I believe it's a different one, 06 and up for the 350Zs here, I think. Hopefully I have the right one, we'll see. Couldn't really tell which one was which. And then I just have some used OEM axles here, left and right, for the event, just for some spares. But yeah, you know, here's some spare tires and wheels and stuff here. That's the spare wheels, just some, I don't know, some ESR, whatever the guy on the he had on the car before I had it, is what those were. But right now I just got some Motegi something, I don't remember exactly what they are, but 9.5. They're all 18s. Front's 9.5 plus 25. Rear is 10.5 plus 25, I believe. I mean, it's just like a stock Z pretty much. I got some Z1 exhaust here. I can't remember, single exit something. Some Tane coilovers. Guy had those before me. We have all poly rear subframe bushings and solid diff bushings. I also have a diff brace at home for that, but other than that, there's not really anything else done to it. I think there's a, or I don't think there's a air intake aftermarket one there, but that's it as far as engine stuff. Here's the interior, base model interior, not very spectacular, you know, pretty normal stock. I got a wheel, a Thrash Racing wheel, shirt's tucked in knob, Sony head unit in there, and then I just got in the rear here, poppers are bad on this, just a willy-nilly quick install with a Sony amp and Explode sub here. But yeah, I mean, all this is just pretty much stock car, but yeah. So let's try and figure out this tow hook. Oh, in the front for tires, some Falcon tires, I believe they're 225 40 18, and then in the rear is Land Spiders, whatever I could get. Buddy told me about them. To get some Land Spiders, I got some Land Spiders. Those are 240 or 245, 40.
Got a nice car.
Oh, appreciate it. I don't know where I was. Older guy come over to the storage unit and saw me in here and was talking about cars a little bit. Don't know where my tow hook went. Here it is. I know he's like, over in Japan they do all this, they soup up their cars and it's like drifting. Yeah, drifting. But anyway, let me get down here, make a fat ass down here. See if I can figure out this tow hook here. So it should, I want to say you just pull this shit out. Let me figure it out. Alright, well I got it out. So there's this little that there and that there, and here's the tow hook here. So it went in like that. So as you see, you know, there's two, get a good light on it. You know, there's two, I believe you're supposed to just pull it out a bit and push them in, but this side was gone. And then this side I couldn't get out, so I kind of just ripped it out. But now that that hole is free, see if I can get a light in here. Oh, I think my flashlight quit working. Hold on. There we go. So yeah, there's the tow hook hole. And it looks like I have the right one here. So thread that guy in. I believe we'll get this all the way in and I will be back. Alright, it has become too difficult to tighten anymore. So I believe it's all the way in there. I'm sure there's a better tutorial, but it looks like you're supposed to squeeze this to get that out of there, I believe. But I don't know, it's never going back in probably, so not really sure. But yeah, that's it.